Are you ready to draw a cute and easy panda together? Now let's draw with me. Hi my little artists. Before we begin, please click the big red subscribe button to join our little fun art family. And don't forget to like this video. And let's start. First, draw a big round shape around the face to make the panda's head. On the top of the head, draw 2 small round ears. Make the cheeks round and soft so the panda looks extra cute. Draw 2 big circles for the panda's eyes. Now draw small white circles inside each eye for the shiny light. Then color the rest of the eyes black. Leave the little circles white so the eyes look bright and shiny. Draw the panda eye patches. Now draw big oval shapes around each eye. These will be the panda's black eye patches. In the middle, draw a small oval nose. Then connect 2 little curved lines under the nose. Great! The face is done. Let's draw the body. Add 2 curved shapes for the legs like this, making them symmetrical. Keep going. You're doing great. Make the body round and cute. Add the tails. From the sides, draw the arms. Now add little lines to finish the paws, making them symmetrical. Add the chest and belly. Coloring time. Now it's time to color your panda. Color the ears, eye patches, arms, and legs black. And here is our cute and easy panda. You did it! I'm so proud of you. See you in the next drawing. Bye-bye.
See you in the next videos. I'm Little Pencil. Goodbye.